Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Documenting People, a podcast wherein I speak to normal, regular people and document their lives, what they've lived so far, and what are their thoughts. I hope it's going to be an interesting journey. I hope I am able to speak to a lot of people. The major concept behind this is कि हम रोज किसी ना किसी से मिलते हैं and every person we meet is very similar to us, has a very similar life to ours, and a very different one, and at the same time. So ये बस मेरी छोटी सी कोशिश है कि I am able to speak to more and more people and find out how similar or different lives are. It's a new channel, so please consider subscribing, liking, sharing it with people. एंड होपफुली इसका ऑडियो फॉर्मेट बहुत जल्द आपको अवेलेबल होगा. उसके लिए भी लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेंगे आपको, सो दैट यू कैन लिसन टू इट वाइल डूइंग योर डेली कोर्स, और आप उस पर सुन सकते हैं. सो विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू, लेट्स स्टार्ट द कॉन्वर्सेशन. Let's start with, how would you introduce yourself to someone who doesn't know you? How would you like a person who doesn't know you to know you?
I would just say hi.
No,
Or
you'll have to
I
introduce
don't know.
now.
Yeah, shit. I haven't introduced myself in so long. Like except for
It's not like
workplaces,
an
I
interview
haven't. Like
thing.
I'm
So
like hi.
So
No,
let's
but I
say if
generally just
you,
say hi. I'm Agrima and
then like who are you then? Like your
matlab,
name isn't you, right?
yeah, I know. So it's in an entity, like in an entitled this, like in this whole, क्या कहते हैं उसको, in totality. I just say hi, I'm Agrima, and I generally don't talk to people. It's so weird. Yesterday only I was thinking that I'm just too old for making friends now because I just can't go up and talk to people.
No, not necessarily making friends. Just how
No,
would
but
you
in general, like
want
if
the
I'm
world to
meeting somebody,
right now?
huh. So if I just go, I like if I have to introduce myself, I'll just if it's only when I have some work related thing that I'll go and directly talk about my work. Like, hi, I'm Agrima. I'm here for this. Can you help me out with this? Like that's my basic thing. I'm very like I
Okay.
probably am like just like I have a ball around it. I don't want to tell people about myself and not know about myself.
Okay, then let's
Yeah,
try
we just
and break
like
it
very much
out.
like
How what Agrima is, the myth of Agrima
yes.
ऐसा हम लोग उसको डिकंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं.
Oh
So
my god, that
let's
myth
go
of
एकदम
Agrima
back.
is
क्या हुआ?
yeah, ठीक है. Hi.
हाँ, going
हाँ,
एकदम
मतलब like
back.
I
What?
guess like
या टू द बिगनिंग ऑफ टाइम में बिग बैंग थ्योरी हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, इवॉल्व हो गए, फिर अग्रिमा कम्स इनटू द वर्ल्ड. सो वहां पे चलते हैं, ठीक है? तो व्हाट इज द
Agrima
फर्स्ट मेमोरी?
about what?
जस्ट फर्स्ट well, your first memory of anything. It can be of anything.
My first memory of anything. Always like there was this tree in my house which has been cut down now, like long ago. But like when I was a kid, there was this tree in my house, and I never wanted it to cut down, get it like never want it to get chopped and all, but it did. And by like as a very weird like when I was a kid, there was this picture of me in the like there was we had a huge ass garden when I was a kid. Like when I was fucking infant, okay, like इन द क्रिब वाला इन्फेंट नहीं होता वो दो
हाँ,
तीन महीने का
हाँ.
बच्चा आप नीचे रख दो कुछ कर नहीं सकता है
Yeah,
हिल डुल नहीं सकता है दैट काइंड
yeah.
ऑफ एन इन्फेंट व्हेन आई वाज दैट काइंड ऑफ एन इन्फेंट मेरे माता पिता ने मुझे ऐसे गार्डन के बीच में एक क्रिब में रख दिया था ठीक है और ऊपर से फोटो ली थी बहुत सारी हरियाली थी अगल बगल
Nice. That is very
बट
creative.
ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट रिमेम्बर दैट
Yeah.
या माय पेरेंट्स आर वेरी क्रिएटिव विद फोटोग्राफ्स मतलब ऐसे फोटोज में नचा रहे वैसे तो बच्चा जीवन में नहीं नाचता है बट फोटोज में नाचते हुए लाइक इन द मोमेंट वाला फोटो है कि नाचते हुए बच्चे को इन द मोमेंट कैप्चर किया है पर बच्चा नाचा कभी नहीं ऐसे ऐसे पोज स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं नाचने वाला इन पॉज
Nice.
like these such great kids. But other than that, yeah, other than that, I have memories of Unnao, like teeny tiny memories of Unnao. And like I was really young and all, but there was this very pretty house we used to live in. Matlab like the last place we lived in while we were in Unnao. It was very pretty. All had sunshine and all coming directly into the house, and we had like this balcony, and quite nice it was. Yeah,
So you were born in
and
Unnao.
I no, I was born in Lucknow. My mother, like after I was born, my mother was transferred to Unnao. Like my mother had a transferable job, has
Mm-hmm.
actually a transferable job. So my mother was transferred to Unnao. So we used to
Mm-hmm.
live there for like 5 years or so. We lived there for 5 years or so. So when I was an infant, like पहले तो घर पे ही रहती थी मैं क्योंकि maternity leave entries. After the
Mm-hmm.
maternity leave got over, like we shifted to Unnao. I shifted to Unnao.
Hmm.
या मेरे
Okay.
पापा
So
ऐसे अप एंड डाउन करते थे ऑफिस आते थे फिर आते थे वापस जाते थे
हाँ. So like then let's talk about your mother. So पहले तो क्या नाम है उनका?
मेरी मम्मी का नाम सुषमा है इट मीन्स ऑफ फ्लावर
Oh, nice. Sushma means flower. Nice. I wonder what Sushmita
हाँ
would
मेरी
be.
नानी my nanny wasn't very creative with names at all or anybody at my nanny's household. What did they name all their kids? Saroj means fool. Suman means fool. Pushpa means fool. like
I'm a
Pushpa means
fan of
fool. All
flowers.
these flower related. हाँ मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं कि like push means full. Saroj is
Hmm.
something I don't know what Saroj means. Somewhere like this. Suman also means flower. Sushma is
Mm-hmm.
also one of these या तो फूल का smell या तो फूल all together. It's all that like sweet flowery vibes. I'm like कोई तो creativity bro. But नई चीजें क्या ही बता सकते हैं.
नहीं, but that's good.
मतलब and
And
the
then
same went with my mama. सबका surname सबका नाम SN प्रसाद है. Starting from my
oh,
first one to the last one, 5 people, all their acronyms are SN Prasad.
but that is
मतलब
creativity.
मुझे
That
तो
is
no
not lack of
creativity
creativity. That is
that is
creativity.
fucking
To
lack
find
of
five
creativity.
names. No,
Like,
to find five names.
अरे
Lack of creativity is what happens in England's monarchy. That is Thomas one, Thomas two, Thomas three. That is lack of creativity.
that's true. But I think my नानी वो like went for this uniformity कि देखो एक बच्चे का नाम गड़वा दिया है क्या कहते हैं बर्तन में पांचों बच्चों को ये लगेगा कि उन्हीं का नाम है ठीक है like you don't
That
have
is
to
true.
go out and like अगर कोई पूछे कि everybody can just say SN Prasad का है nobody knows who the fuck this SN Prasad is exactly it's like पांच है आपके घर में कोई भी पिक कर लो तो
मतलब है तो आप ही के घर का चाहे
सत्य
जो भी है
है yes
नाइस
श्री नारायण सत्यनारायण like Shiv Narayan all these Narayan something Narayan Prasad something
they didn't even get
fuck
creative with the
man
Narayan part. Narayan was constant.
yeah Narayan is a constant. Narayan Prasad is a constant thing we had. It's like a South Indian family that's running throughout. And they are like
Nice.
everybody is an S Narayan Prasad. Oh no, I mean my mother had put real creativity in the names. She named one of my cousins as Parnika, one of them as Mrinalini and stuff like that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
And
So,
names she
what does your
wanted to
mother do?
ensure that they should. My mother is a librarian. Probably
Wow.
the only reason I
Me-
read books.
Yeah.
But me, I
And
love books.
like,
मतलब I
that
really
also
love.
means, yeah, that also means you having access to a lot of books.
Yeah, I always love. So basically, one of the reasons I read, like I used to read a little fast off because मम्मी जब स्टॉक लेके आती थी तो वो एक ही मतलब वो शाम को लेके आती थी और अगले सुबह वो स्कूल जाना होता था तो अगर आपको कुछ पढ़ना है
Right.
उस स्टॉक में से तो अभी पढ़ डालो उसके बाद नहीं
Oh,
मिलेगा
nice. Nice. This means you got into the habit of reading fast.
हाँ
I don't know
नॉट
what
फास्ट
reading
एग्जैक्टली
fast is.
मतलब अब तो मैं बहुत स्लो पढ़ती हूँ भाई अब तो मेरे महीने भर में एक किताब खत्म नहीं होती इतना तो कंसंट्रेशन ही नहीं है भगवान रहा है मेरा सब छिन गया है सब पुरानी बातें अब
हाँ,
तो हम बुजुर्ग हो गए हैं
हमारे जमाने में
लिटरली
बहुत जल्दी पढ़ा करते
लाइक
थे.
हाँ, हमारे जमाने में बहुत जल्दी पढ़ना पड़ता था क्योंकि मम्मी लाइब्रेरी बुक ले जाती थी वापस। जब से हमने खरीदनी शुरू की, मतलब बेसिकली जब से नौकरी शुरू की, तब से खरीदनी शुरू करी है। नौकरी शुरू करने के
हम्म।
बाद किसकी ही लाइफ में कोई भी मतलब अच्छी हैबिट रह जाती है। आप बताइए, क्या आप
दैट
टाइम
इज,
पे कभी सोई हैं नौकरी ज्वाइन करने के बाद?
नौकरी ज्वाइन करने के बाद
क्या
तो
आपने बिंज
फिर भी
वॉचिंग
शायद
को
सो गए। कब कब क्या मैंने?
क्या आपने वॉचिंग को अपना फेवरेट एक्टिविटी नहीं बना रखा है?
Of course, to the point कि now if something releases per week, I do not watch it until the last episode is released because I want to watch it together.
यही 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 ये एडल्टिंग के फायदे से ज्यादा तो नुकसान है। पता नहीं क्यों जीवन में सबको बड़े होने की ख्वाहिश है।
I don't know. That is something deep. Another conversation that we should have. So, हाँ, तो
दैट्स अ कॉन्वर्सेशन
मम्मी
फॉर
is
अनदर डे।
librarian and Papa is
So my father used to be a stenographer. मतलब he used to work for the Uttar Pradesh टेक्निकल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट। ठीक है।
nice.
तो वहां पे मेरे पापा स्टेनोग्राफर है। और वो बहुत सारे अलग अलग काम करते हैं, बट आई डोंट नो मच। मतलब वो सचिवालय में काम करते हैं, वो काम करते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, वैसे वाला।
Right, right.
बट मुझे डिजिग्नेशन मतलब उसको पता था थे क्या एग्जैक्टली उन्होंने शुरू कहाँ से किया था। ही स्टार्टेड एज अ
Hmm,
स्टेनोग्राफर।
nice.
आई
And
डोंट नो
what
व्हाट
is
इज
his name?
लाइक सुधीर कुमार श्रीवास्तव।
तो अब फिर घर पे कौन कौन है?
दैट्स अ बैड
बचपन
क्वेश्चन
में?
राइट नाउ। बट
Oh yeah. If you're
मतलब जब मैं
comfortable,
छोटी थी तो
otherwise
मेरे
we can skip
पापा
it.
देख मतलब वी ऑलवेज लिव्ड इन जॉइंट फैमिली। तो जब मैं छोटी थी मेरे पापा, मेरी मम्मी, मेरे बाबा, मेरे चाचा और पैदा होने के बाद मेरी बहन, सात लोग।
Which you don't seem very pleased about. You're like सब तेज पापा मम्मी
मेरी
चाचा
शादी
और फिर मेरी बहन.
average of what you do. Dude, I like her. I really love her. She's cute. Please go and follow Gary's Grab on Instagram and do put this on, like,
I
do not
have.
edit it.
Yes. So how
Just because मैं
बचपन
अभी
कैसा था?
बेरोजगार हूँ doesn't ठीक था यार। मतलब बहुत ऐसे बहुत महान अच्छा भी नहीं था। ऐसे काफी बुली हुई हूँ एज अ चाइल्ड में।
हम्म, क्यों, किस बात पे?
बिकॉज मैं प्लम्प थी और जिंदगी भर से लोग मुझे मोटा होने के लिए बुली कर रहे हैं। ठीक है। नॉट
That is
फेयर।
sad.
आई मीन किड्स
Not
एज
fair.
एज या एज it's like I remember this one time I got 9 out of 20 and I was like in fourth grade or so, and I was otherwise like a very good kid. Like in terms of studies, I was a very good kid. I used to score like decent marks। जैसे अगर 15 मार्क्स का टेस्ट है तो 13.5 से नीचे नहीं आते थे, क्योंकि 13.5 तो
Mm-hmm.
टीचर्स ही आपको सुना देते थे कि इतने कम मार्क्स हैं। नाउ इफ यू सी इट टेक्निकली 1.5 मार्क्स, 1.5 मार्क। 14 तक आप गुड हो, और 14 से नीचे गिरते ही कि बच्चे का वैल्यू ही नीचे गिर जाता था। तो आई रिमेम्बर दिस वन टाइम आई गॉट 9 आउट ऑफ 20 एंड ओ माय गॉड पीपल वर लाइक इतने कम मार्क्स, इतने कम मार्क्स, एज इफ किसी का खून कर दिया हो मैंने। मतलब ठीक है
That
यार,
is mean.
रिलैक्स कर लो, तुम्हारे मार्क्स की नहीं है। I mean, I remember even when we were in school, I remember kids used to be like कोई बच्चा फेल होके आता तो एक तो उसको फेलियर बुलाते थे। मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं, शर्म नहीं आती किसी बच्चे को फेलियर बुला देते यार उन बच्चों को। वो बच्चा फेलियर है, उससे बात मत करो, पढ़ाई नहीं करता है। Like I think our school promoted that culture where people, like where we used to demean the kids who couldn't study, who weren't very good at studies. Like not just
Mm-hmm.
one or two teachers, the school in general promoted that kind of culture.
I
Like
know.
all my classes I've experienced that how teachers used to be really like not really nice to the kids who didn't score well. I mean, what kind of a
Hmm.
benchmark is that?
Yeah,
That's
they,
not
they
like
they treated students on basis of marks basically.
how.
That is
I
how
mean,
all the
how can
captains were decided. That is how all the monitors and in charges were decided.
yeah, I mean, no matter how old the child was, if their value of this was based upon the marks they got. I mean, that's just horrible, yeah. And
Yes.
and if that's the same with the kind of opportunities they gave to those students, ना like अगर मेरे
Yes.
मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं तो मेरे को हर चीज में अपॉर्चुनिटी पे काट लिया जाएगा।
True.
except for sports, क्योंकि that's a very natural talent ना that kids have कि अब वो तेज भाग सकते हैं तो तेज भाग सकता है, चाहे वो 2 नंबर लाए चाहे 20 नंबर लाए. But other than
Hmm.
that, like the opportunities were limited if you got low marks. You were socially ostracized, मतलब abandon, वो लोग उसको boycott कर देंगे यार socially कि नहीं नहीं यार इससे कोई बात मत करो, don't go and play with him or don't her or something. मतलब बच्चा वो बेचारा अकेला बैठा है, कभी फेल होके कोई दूसरी, मतलब अगर आप फेल हो जाते हैं you have to repeat from here, भाई वो बच्चा पूरे 2-3, like if you see for the first few weeks that kid is like sitting alone in the class,
Yeah.
and there's so much
So,
pressure to pass pass the examination, pass the examination with good grades. टीचर्स कंप्लेन, मतलब कंप्लेन कर देंगे ठीक है, मतलब पर इस तरह मतलब आपको पिक करने लगते थे यार कि तुम्हारे मार्क्स कैसे कम आ रहे हैं.
I know.
I remember there was
मतलब
only
वो
one time some teacher wanted to speak to the parent because so she asked me some questions in the class and I answered them like they were right, like I answered them correctly, but I wrote the answer, like the answers were incorrect in my like the test. She basically she asked me questions very normally, and I was really scared. But somehow I was able to answer all those questions correctly. But exam में एक दिन पहले उसका test हुआ था, and I didn't answer them properly. So my father was called, and I'm, oh my god, my mother started crying and she was कि स्कूल से फोन आ गया है बच्चे, मतलब remember like the kind of terror it was induced कि हर भगवान बच्चे
yeah,
के स्कूल से फोन आ जाए तो एकदम मौत आ गई है.
yeah.
अब नेक्स्ट
It
वीक तो यही
actually
होगा,
kind
बच्चा
of,
बच्चे को सस्पेंड ही कर देंगे.
yeah, this is the deep-seated lack of self-worth that is put into kids from the very start by the
या
flawed education system that we have.
नॉट जस्ट दैट, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि टीचर्स एकदम ही अनअवेयर थे कि कैसे इफ यू वर अ फैट किड यू वर फैट शेम, बट उन सब चीजों पे कभी फोकस नहीं होगा. इंस्टेड द फोकस वुड बी कि आप मतलब जैसे मतलब I don't know on what basis the schools say कि we focus on all round development of the kids, where they always focus only on the physical and the academic aspects of it, never the mental well-being of a child. Instead,
True.
you're making a child feel guilty for various reasons. अरे ठीक है अगर वो मार्क्स नहीं स्कोर कर पा रहा है, why you making the child feel guilty even more, man? Anyway, that person is feeling bad कि उसके कम नंबर आए हैं. Now you're
Hmm.
making them like you're shaming them in front of the rest of the class and they're like, oh my, मतलब अब बच्चा एकदम मौत आ जाएगी तभी आपको खुशी मिलेगी क्या? I
So,
don't,
but
I don't
we're
understand the
talking so
education
much
system
about
so
the
much.
education. Yeah, it is flawed because it is flawed. It is something that we have adopted, we have not created. And
But other than that, like one of the reasons we have so many bullies is because of something like this. I remember, मतलब आप class, मतलब anybody who used to score, मतलब like the top scorers, not all of them, but a couple of them were very like arrogant about it, and not just arrogant, they would just come and insult people because oh you didn't get enough marks, like you didn't get 10 on 10 like I did, so I might as well have all the like all the authority in the world to demean you or to insult you in public or mock you or whatsoever. And not just that, like for being fat, for being, मतलब whatsoever, it's kids now.
I know,
मतलब
and I
even
think
after you
I
pass,
genuinely think kids say the meanest things. Kids are capable
yeah,
of
they
saying the
do.
meanest things.
मतलब if
Yeah.
anybody gets to know there's something wrong in the house, they'll make fun of. Like kids get very personal, and teachers always either seem to be unaware of it, or if they notice it, they don't seem to be very like mature about it. Like ज्यादा ज्यादा क्या करेंगे कि जो अगर जिस बच्चे की वजह से कोई और बच्चा रो रहा है उसको पनिश कर देंगे instead of making them understand that why they are wrong.
Hmm. That is
I mean,
true.
I don't know how it was never the focus to make a child like a good human being altogether. It's
Hmm.
halfway in the kids now.
Yeah. So we're talking so much about school. Let's just dive into what school you went to.
Oh, I went to St. Mary's till I was in 8th grade. Then I went to KV, where I'm like, नहीं नहीं अब तो पुलिस से फाइट करना पड़ेगा ब्रो, बिकॉज ये तो नेक्स्ट लेवल चीज है. मतलब ये तो सेंट मेरीज में तो फिर भी वो थोड़े सेंट मेरी कोट अनकोट, बट दे आर मोर पॉलिश्ड, ठीक है. तो और
St.
वो
Mary's
आपको
kids, right?
मतलब
Yeah.
बचपन से जानते हैं तो भाई वो मतलब आप बचपन से स्कूल में पढ़े हो तो वो आपको आप यू ग्रोन अप विद दोस किड्स एंड दे आर कोट अनकोट पॉलिश. ऐसे कोई बहुत मच्योर और बहुत अच्छे नहीं हो जाते हैं उससे बच्चे, पॉलिश्ड है, बस इतना ही अंतर है
हाँ
दोनों स्कूल्स में. बट यू
हाँ
हैव, मतलब इट्स किड्स वो फाइट their bullies on their own. मतलब even in with KV, I had to fight like a lot of this bullying system simply because I was fat. I mean, what the fuck, man? तेरे
that is
बाप
sad.
का नहीं खाती हूँ मैं.
No, that is
Yeah, but
sad.
like
And
I did face a lot of.
you're stuck.
Yeah.
Huh. Huh.
I remember being in KV, I was bullied so badly that I lost like I remember I was 55, and then like in ninth grade I switched to KV. I was 55, and oh my god, the way I was bullied, I laughed like I went directly to 48. Like I stopped eating altogether. I used to eat only like one meal a day. I had like
That is
terrible
very
periods. Like I used
bad.
to have these, like I used to have periods. Yeah, yeah. मतलब मेरे periods हर 15 दिन में आ रहे हैं. There were huge clumps of blood. मतलब I couldn't, like I wasn't bleeding like normal bleeding. I used to clumps of blood because I wasn't
So,
eating properly. The doctor said
yeah,
you should have been hospitalized. Sorry, the doctor said you should have been hospitalized. It's simply because people can't stop bullying you, man. Like no matter what age it is, and it's matlab, I'm not saying that boys aren't bullied or something, but women have it tougher than boys any given day. I mean, uh, I remember this one girl in my class was really fair. So if some boy comes up and he's like, "Oh, तुम्हारी मूंछें दिख रही हैं," अरे, I mean, ठीक है यार, तेरे भी तो मुंह पे बाल है ना. बट जस्ट बिकॉज सोसाइटी, मतलब
yeah,
सोसाइटी ने ये नॉर्मलाइज कर दिया कि लड़कों के बाल हो सकते हैं पर लड़कियों के नहीं. गर्ल्स आर शेम लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर फॉर द वे अपीयरेंस, नो मैटर व्हाट. बहुत पतली हो जाओ तो भी दिक्कत है सबको, बहुत मोटे, अगर आप मोटे हो तो भी दिक्कत है. इफ यू आर फेयर ऑल्सो पीपल विल फाइंड सम, लाइक जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर फेयर उसके ऊपर थोड़े से भी बाल होंगे तो एवरीबडी विल पॉइंट इट आउट. इफ यू आर डस्की देन पीपल विल पॉइंट इट आउट. ओ माय गॉड, physical appearance, and it makes you lose a lot of self confidence and self worth, like
that is
during your
true.
growing up years. I mean,
Mhm.
probably it continues. Matlab, so much so it still wants, like I still need to lose weight. Like I gained weight, I lost so much weight after that, and I mean, I wasn't really fat in like I wasn't fat in college, but like my college wasn't like that. It was feminism in full power. Like the kind of people who actually empower women, not
Yeah.
not the college
So
authorities, but the
sorry to like cut,
students,
but like,
not the
what
college.
is which college are we talking about?
I went to Sophia College for Women in Bombay. So
Hmm.
we did have a good set of teachers, and a lot of them were very encouraging and very like all feminist, all in all. But the better part was that the students were really nice. At least the ones who were with me, they were really nice. We never used to judge people, or fat shame them, or victim shame people. The kind of atmosphere I suffered, like I witnessed in both my schools.
Right.
Like the way I'm not just victim shaming. We are sometimes blame women for just being the way they are.
Hmm. So do you
Like that's
think?
what I realized when I went to college how oppressed women are in general.
Mhm. So, like, do you think that it is a function of a small city and a big city, of how people think? Because
No,
children do not really have, they do know, like they form ideas, but the inherent base of those ideas is what they're getting from their homes, on of how their family thinks, of what the society thinks around them, right?
it's a it's a mixture of a lot of things, not just because of a big city or a small city, to be honest. I mean, yeah, they've definitely, like as people say, exposure hota hai, but there are a lot of things that should be taken into account. ये
Mm-hmm.
बड़े शहरों में जो लोग रह रहे हैं आ तो छोटे शहरों से ही रहे ना.
See, that
तो
is
ऐसा
true,
तो नहीं हो
but
सकता
then
कि
people
बड़े
become
शहर
aware
जाके या
now.
हो जाता.
People are more aware, people
हाँ, they
change, people, yeah.
दे आर जस्ट मोर वल्नरेबल. मतलब आप बड़े शहर में उतने ही वल्नरेबल होते हो जितने आप छोटे शहर में
Yeah,
एंटाइटल्ड होते हो. मतलब यहाँ आपके
right.
पास कौन सी फैसिलिटी नहीं है, वहां पे आपके पास नहीं है, तो यू बिकम मोर हम्बल. यू रियलाइज कि अरे यार इंसान, मतलब हाउ यू शुड बी मोर एक्सेप्टिंग, क्योंकि जैसे आप हो वैसे बहुत, मतलब इफ यू गो टू अ बिगर सिटी यू विल फाइंड मच कूलर पीपल देन यू सी ओवर हेयर. मतलब अगर आप यहाँ पे एकदम
For
तुर्रम
sure.
खाओ तो वहां जाके कुछ भी तो ऐसा हो सकता है. That's a lot of realization that comes in for a lot of people. तो
Hmm.
ये भी होता है, like there's a lot of evolve, like there's a lot of evolution in people because they just realize कि अपने घर पे शेर हो पर बाहर एक्चुअली ढेर हो, बहुत ज्यादा कुछ हो नहीं. It's very difficult to sustain a life outside your comfort zone in any given
Right.
situation. हर जगह क्वेश्चन, and not yeah, another than that there's a lot of ignorance in our society in general. मतलब छोटे शहरों में लोग, अच्छी बात है छोटी छोटी चीजों से खुश रहते हैं, मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आप कई जगहों पे अपने आप को रेस्ट्रिक्ट ही कर लो. मतलब जैसे
Mm-hmm.
आई रिमेम्बर यहाँ के टीचर्स, मतलब आई सीन द कॉलेज, लाइक आई बिन टू लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर लाइक एक कोर्स के लिए मैं कुछ महीने गई थी एंड आई लेफ्ट इट मिडवे, मतलब ड्यूरिंग माय सबैटिकल, एंड एक कोर्स के लिए आई जस्ट थॉट कि मुझे कोई और कॉलेज नहीं मिलेगा तो आई जॉइंड अ कोर्स एंड बट मुझे कॉलेज मिल गया था, सो आई लेफ्ट इट द डे आई गॉट माय लाइक आईएमसी का एक्सेप्ट नेम इन माय लिस्ट. तो बट वो भी है कि इट्स जस्ट एवरीबॉडी थिंक्स कि आप एकदम स्टिल हो, आपको कोई ग्रोथ है नहीं तो ग्रो करना ही नहीं चाहते हो. मतलब सबको लगता है
Right.
ग्रोथ सिर्फ इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होती है कि हाँ भाई कंपनी खोल दो, बिल्डिंग बना दो, नया मॉल खोल दो. मेंटली नोबडी वांट्स टू ग्रो. मतलब दैट व्हाट आई एक्सपीरियंस कि लोगों को लगता है कि अब यहाँ से कहीं निकलना तो है नहीं, कहीं जाना तो है नहीं, तो व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ लर्निंग मोर.
Hmm.
मतलब अच्छी बात है कि आपको स्टेबिलिटी अच्छी लगती है, सब अच्छा लगता है, पर हर चीज में मतलब एकदम कुएं के मेंढक बनने से कोई वो नहीं होता ना. कभी कभी तो
Right.
इंसान को बाहर, मतलब इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि हाँ आपको कोई कह रहा है कि अरे आपका होराइजन बड़ा हो गया तो आपको दूसरे शहर ही जाके सेटल हो जाना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
True.
होराइजन बड़ा होना चाहिए, लोगों की सोच बड़ी होनी चाहिए ना, शहर चाहे कितना भी बड़ा हो या छोटा
True.
हो, फॉर दैट मैटर.
Yeah. तो अच्छा, तो पर school wasn't that pleasant. Both the schools wasn't that pleasant. But then, do you have some like good memories with जो तुम्हें लगता है कि स्कूल की
ऑफ
बात
कोर्स
करो
आई
तो
डू.
you remember that memory or those memories?
Of course, like, see, it can't be like all bad and matlab no
नहीं,
good.
that is
Of
true.
course, I
Yeah.
really it. No. And other than that, I've like my closest friends from school. Matlab I have friends who are close, like who and I go like people with whom I go back to God knows how many years. ठीक है. So
Right.
there are obviously good memories. Like like yeah, since you, even though you didn't remember who I was back in school, we did meet like when we were in 10th grade.
This has to come up.
Officially,
Yes, of
because
course.
that it
Yes.
has to come. It's like the basis of a relationship, the foundation.
Yes. Yes.
Other than that, my
So
class,
for anyone
my
who's
class was quite nice.
so for
Yeah,
anyone who
anyone who
is
is,
watching this who doesn't know, has no context, just a moment, my light just fell. Has no context,
yeah,
is that we both went to the same Lucknow, and Agrima was there for till class 8th, and I did my
we were in
entire
the
schooling
next
from the
section.
same school. And we were in
Yeah, and we
different
were in like
sections, same class, and I had no clue who Agrima was until she left
and
the school.
there's a picture of us standing only like there were only three
Yes,
kids in the middle, and they were like we are
yeah.
just standing
We
like
were in the
almost
same
the same
choir,
way.
literally the same choir, the same function, the same song. We practiced for months together. I had no clue who Agrima was. I am
Yeah,
genuinely sorry for that, but it has to come up in every conversation. So yeah, that is that.
people should know like the very foundation of our friendship is me looking like one-sided lover, where Deepika doesn't know I exist. And just to put
मेरे
in the context
fans में
along
क्या
with
बोलूं?
just to know, just to like let you know, a lot of people knew I existed. Like कभी
I
कभी मैं
know
स्कूल
we had a common friend
yeah
who's
yeah
very good friends with both of us.
so, like weirdly she was very good friends with the two of us, but even
Yes.
then the people didn't know I existed, but I always knew everything about Deepika.
Yeah, because Deepika was
That's
in
why
her
one
own
day
shell. So this shell, so Deepika's school life is very different from Agrima's school life. My school life is
yeah, the
very
school
pleasant.
life consisted only of like 10 people.
Yeah,
Agrima's
it
school
has
life
10 people.
consisted of one. Yeah, so I had like a really like, so I had my like I had a class of 50 people. Even though some people like, it's not like everybody comes and bullies you around, na. There's some really
Right.
nice people, some real good laughter. Yeah, and I mean, if I look back, I'm still in touch with a lot of, not touch like जैसे कि हाँ रोज बात करते हो, but we
हाँ,
still
but you
have
are in
this
touch.
weird
Yeah,
ass
that makes sense.
shit like a WhatsApp group. I have like a really have like a thing of WhatsApp group. We text each other. We ask like if we're doing okay. Like a couple of, at least not, if not everybody, couple of people. We at least try like at least we think that we'll meet. But pandemic की वजह से तो कोई कहीं जा ही नहीं पा रहा है. Other than that,
Yes.
we at least expect to,
So what is
yeah,
like,
expect to meet each other.
if you say, when I say school, what is one defining memory that comes to your mind? Like a good one, a happy one.
Yeah, multiple many memories that way.
एक दो
I
बता
remember
दो.
this one time. वही बता रही हूँ ना, एक मिनट रुक जा.
Yeah.
There was this one time. Uh, you know Pura Singh, na?
Yeah.
We can take names, can we? So there was this
I am
one
okay.
time, Apurva and I, we was, yeah, yeah, Apurva and I,
Hmm.
and there were a couple of other, multiple, couple of other students, God knows, किस वजह से हम वहाँ खड़े थे, I don't remember that. But किसी वजह से तो हम लोग खड़े थे, and Apurva and I were standing adjacent to each other, we were standing next to each other. ठीक है, हमारे पीछे मेरी वार्ड का एक फोटो था. पता नहीं क्या हुआ, और अब मुझे याद भी नहीं कि कौन सी वो सिस्टर थी. She just saw कि मेरी वार्ड का फोटो चुप रहा है. She ran past through the whole crowd like, oh my god, मेरी वार्ड is hiding. प्लीज like इधर इधर हो जाओ सब लोग. I'm like, oh my god, वो फोटो में थोड़ी ना निकल आएगी कि मेरे सामने लोग खड़े, प्लीज let it click. This is very weird. And we couldn't stop laughing on it for like a couple of years. We were like, oh my god, इतनी बार जितनी बार मेरी वार्ड देखे हमें वही नजारा याद है कि मैं भाग गई है बीच में, हटो हटो मेरी वार्ड चुप रही है. So she said that. Okay, that reminds me. How our school promoted imperialism, and not just imperialism but the whole idea कि कैसे अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलोगे तो 5 रुपए फाइन देना पड़ेगा हिंदी में बात करने के लिए.
I am
कभी
very
देना नहीं
thankful
पड़ा.
for that because that is
कभी
the only
देना
way I could learn English.
I understand कभी देना नहीं पड़ा, but this
Yeah.
is very mean. Yeah, I understand that
We
English is
had a
very
2 rupee
necessary.
fine. We had a 2 rupee fine and a fine card dabba, which is a Cerelac wala dabba in the class. So for each word, you have to put 2 rupees. फिर मॉनिटर की
हाँ,
ऐश होती थी उससे.
बस यही देखो मतलब. See, I have nothing against English. I've studied English even
Yeah.
in my like graduation. English, I'm an English major student. But
Yeah.
the thing is कि आप ऐसे मतलब what you're promoting is कि मतलब यार हिंदी बोलना
But
एकदम
then
गलत है.
now we have understood it, na. Now that time it
हाँ,
didn't feel wrong.
now we
Even
can
to our
reflect
parents, it
upon
didn't
it.
feel wrong. Our parents
हाँ हाँ.
put us in that school just for that very reason that बच्चे
तो
इंग्लिश सीख
हमारे
जाएंगे.
तो हमारे पेरेंट्स को कितनी डिफिकल्टी हुई है. ओनली दे
Yes,
नो मतलब कि इंग्लिश ना बोलने की वजह से काफी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं और लोग आपको काफी डिमीन करते हैं. इट्स नॉट
I
जस्ट
know.
हिंदी मीडियम एज अ फिल्म गाइस, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी ट्रू. पेरेंट्स को बहुत चीजों के थ्रू
No,
जाना
it
पड़ता है.
is very true. And also, I myself have evolved from judging people to not judging people to actually want to learn Hindi better
Hmm.
because my Hindi
Yeah.
was terrible because we were not encouraged to speak Hindi. So it didn't
Yeah,
matter if you spoke bad Hindi.
yeah, and especially if you're अब जैसे you are a Bengali, तो अब तुम घर में
Yeah,
पूरे you speak a mix of Hindi and Bengali ना.
right. No,
तो
at
अब
home I speak Bengali, but yeah.
या तो इस तरह से आई मीन आई नथिंग कि हाँ भाई सबको हिंदी सीखनी चाहिए. आई एम नॉट फॉर दैट.
No,
बट डोंट
no, but
डिमीन. बट या
don't
डिमीनिंग
make it
अदर
कि
लैंग्वेज.
सिर्फ yeah. Don't make it
जब
कि
जब
सिर्फ
जब
English ही सीखनी है.
एंड द आइडिया ऑफ डिमीनिंग अदर लैंग्वेजेस ओवर इंग्लिश इज बैड. मतलब सब कुछ यार
Yeah.
पीपल शुड हैव द राइट
I
टू चूज
understand.
देयर
We
लैंग्वेज.
actually the only other language that we were taught in school, we weren't the privileged version जिसको फ्रेंच, स्पेनिश, जर्मन का ऑप्शन मिले. तो हम लोगों को
हाँ.
संस्कृत भी इंग्लिश में सिखाई थी.
हाँ, I remember instrumental and something like वो weird as case
Yeah,
लगाते
yeah.
थे सब.
I know more. I know Sanskrit in English now.
हाँ.
That I know
Yeah, I know.
from school. Moving on to college then. So how was college? College was better than school in terms of bullying वगैरह. But then college opened up more horizons because you lived
Yeah,
in
I
a
lived all by
hostel by
myself.
yourself.
I think I lived all by myself. I was more or less a shy kid. Like I wouldn't talk to a lot of people. And also because not a lot of people would know I exist or notice that I exist.
Yes.
So yeah, I was like one of the reasons people couldn't notice that I exist was because I'm a very shy kid. I won't go up and say hi. Yeah, I can't do that. Like I'm still like,
People are also
uh,
shy, that is why people do not identify people.
yeah, I know. That's why I'm like shy people like end up becoming friends because they know what
Yeah.
social anxiety is.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why I like I was also it was the first time I'm living with 120 people, 120 random strangers, to be honest.
Yeah. And
Whenever
sharing a
I'm
room and a
yeah,
bathroom. Oh my god.
yeah, oh, sharing a bathroom with the whole floor and sharing a room with four people. So I've never ever have I ever have I well, been this outgoing person who'll go in and be like, hey, hi, how are you? I'm this. I stay on this floor. I study in this college. But that's well, I remember that there were some students in the hostel who would be like, "Oh, I'm in room number this. I stay there. I'm from here, etc." etc. तब बात कर पाते थे. I couldn't like at least in the initial days. And my roommate would be like, "Apriba, you don't have any friends," and I'm like, "अरे आज ही तो आई हूँ. How would I become friends with people so एकदम early at this early stage?" But yeah, I did learn how to have like how to communicate properly. Like I've really gained my communication skills from my hostel or from my college because I was completely alone in this huge ass city, and not just some any city. It's like Bombay. It has 1 lakh people per square feet. Can you imagine the number of people who live in that city?
Right.
I think the only reason Maharashtra has some high sort of population is only because there are people living in Bombay. To remove that, Maharashtra is fairly fairly less populated state. Not like UP obviously, but fairly less populated. बॉम्बे में
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट लेवल लोग रहते हैं हर इंसान रह रहा है like so many people
Yeah.
living there
Yeah.
and
And
then
that is the reason probably they say the city never sleeps because there is not enough space for everyone to sleep. आधा आधा ही सो
some
सकते हैं.
people have to या सब कुछ लोग को जगना ही पड़ेगा ना आधे लोग शिफ्ट में काम कर रहे होंगे तभी तो आधे लोग घर जाके सोएंगे
Right.
my
Right.
sister have two friends they stay in a flat where two people have night shift and two people have day office because जिनका दिन का ऑफिस होता है वो रात को आके सोते हैं और जिनकी नाइट शिफ्ट होती है सुबह आके सोते हैं चारों लोग एक साथ कभी नहीं हो सकते एक टाइम पे so that
Right.
situation won't work out for itself.
Yeah. Okay. So college was good. College was majors in English literature,
Yeah,
which is very
yeah.
cool.
It seems cool,
Then
but we
what
had like
happened?
we had really nicer teachers. Like I have to say, compared to other colleges in terms like BU or something, our teachers were really nice. Like they used to work a lot on us.
Hmm.
They used to put in a lot of effort. I have to give it to them. Yeah,
Nice.
but
So
yeah, college was. I used to love Bombay otherwise because it made me like an independent individual. Helped me have an idea, like helped me with my self confidence. Like the idea of self worth. The it helped me understand and analyze a lot of things, including patriarchy, oppression, and feminism.
yes. So after college, then what happened? You.
After college, I took a sabbatical for 1 year. I worked with an NGO because I wanted to get into sports and become a social worker. Even though
Mhm.
I always knew I was like very well suited for mass communication, I just thought कि नहीं नहीं यार, let's just take social work because somehow I just wanted to do it. But
And then
I
you taught
realized,
kids.
yeah, I taught kids. I taught
Yeah,
English.
that is
Is kind
wonderful.
of yeah. I used to work for an NGO called Make a Difference, and used to teach kids like 8th grade के बच्चों को English पढ़ाती थी मैं. Oh, amazing kids,
Mhm.
man. That
That is amazing.
that is
I always
that is
wanted to do something like that, but I never did. I was
yeah,
very. Mm.
that has been my biggest learning in life. Like the biggest learning experience in my life has been that NGO experience. Like
That is very
if
cool.
I'm like 10% humble of what like 10 like on a scale of like 100, even if I'm number 10 like if I'm like on 10% humble, it's only because of that. I've real like the kind of things we take for granted and the kind of love we've been showered upon by a lot of people. Well, I'm not saying that everybody has been showered upon love by their parents or somebody, but we still have two living parents, a house,
Yes.
food. God knows, like the kind of things people don't get, like the way they abandon the so since it was like a it was an orphanage come this thing, and mostly it was a girls like it was an orphanage for girls basically, but that's a state run this thing. So there was this crib out, like there was this small window big enough for anybody to keep a toddler or an infant, and there was a crib inside, like like attached to it inside the क्या कहते हैं उसको, orphanage, कि आप अगर like anybody wants to abandon, like if wants to give away their child, don't leave the child on the road, instead keep it inside, at least that kid won't get hurt or something.
That
But
is
then
so
there are
sad.
yeah, it is. But then there are people who abandon their kids, and sometimes you
Yeah.
feel, oh my god, what kind of heartless parents they are. But the people suffering so bad. There was this one girl who was not who was mentally unstable. She was raped, then she got pregnant, then obviously have been thrown out from wherever she was. Some rickshaw wala took pity on her and dropped her off at the gates of this orphanage. So they took her in, they took care of the baby, they gave her some clothes, but she was so disturbed through and through. Obviously, she was not like what do you say? She was she couldn't take care of her child, but I
Right.
mean, yeah, I mean, she didn't have the mental capacity to take care of the child. And like imagine the way people take advantage of people, and there are many reasons like, a lot of people abandon their kids only because they are women, only because they are girls, or they think they are a burden. But then there are multiple people with multiple reasons to send their kids off. Like there were families who couldn't afford enough for their kids. So matlab, it wasn't like their kids were orphaned. They would put them in that orphanage because the government would pay for their education and for their food. So that at least if even if they can't eat properly, at least their kid will eat properly. They'll come and meet them and all, but you can't meet your kid every day. You can only meet your kid
Right.
uh, twice a week, which is decent. Which is technically that if our like all rich people send their kids to boarding school, it's like
Mm-hmm.
that, but in a very different state. It's a more dilapidated state. Like मतलब जैसे मतलब किस तरह रहते हो बच्चे काम करते, like they work in the मतलब they are taught कि तुम लोग को काम
Yeah.
करना चाहिए, so they do their own work, they help with the with the chores at the orphanage. मतलब
Orphanage.
ऐसा
Yeah.
नहीं उनके पास वर्कर्स होते हैं, बट दे डू द किड्स डू हेल्प आउट बिकॉज़ देयर सो मेनी किड्स, चार पांच लोग उठ के काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, कॉन्ट्ररी टू
Correct.
अस। मतलब हम लोग कभी अपने बोर्डिंग स्कूल या हॉस्टल्स में कभी मतलब जो भी वर्कर्स होते थे उनकी हेल्प नहीं करते थे। ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी अगर उनसे कोई गलती हो जाएगी तो चिल्ला चिल्ला के फिर उसकी सर पे उठा लेंगे। लुक एट द डिफरेंस, जस्ट बिकॉज उनके पास है नहीं, दे अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ हेल्पिंग ईच अदर, बट वी ऑन द अदर हैंड एक्सट्रीमली एंटाइटल्ड कि हम पैसे दे रहे हैं तो
Right.
हमें मिलना ही चाहिए सब कुछ। मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड यू शुड गेट वैल्यू फॉर मनी, बट ऐसा अगर आपको इतना
Yeah.
वैल्यू फॉर मनी है तो प्लीज अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर से कहो थोड़ा काम करे, इंस्टेड कि मतलब किसी
Yes.
गरीब इंसान को वो करो।
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes we lack empathy, basic empathy we lack
Yeah, we
because
do. I mean, it's not just empathy,
because to
it's
be
like
very honest, everyone who feels entitled and who is who mistreats people they pay to work for them, be it like anyone, your house help, your sweeper, your cook, your driver, any of
yeah,
those
yeah,
things.
and
I think everyone should re- reassess that are you whatever job you do, are you giving the value for money? तुम्हारी कंपनी तुमको जितना पे कर दो तुम भी तो काम चोरी करते हो यार. Have that empathy that some basic genuine mistakes can happen, not necessarily they are doing काम चोरी या फिर something like that, but
yeah.
people don't
Also,
really
I would
realize it.
like to say that I've never ever did kaam chori. I've always been underpaid and overworked. Please, I've been that member of
I
that
know.
club,
I have, I also have been underpaid.
underpaid,
Uh,
overworked club के members हैं हम, and
yes, I have been, but then
but yeah,
I genuinely think there are, like, I'm not saying ki I have, I'm saying in totality, if you have worked for a year, let's say
आई
you
नो, आई
work
नो।
for one entire year, is there
और उसपे
even
हमें
even
कितने
one day जिस दिन तुम्हें अपने हिसाब से लगाओ कि मैंने इतना करना है लेकिन तुम नहीं कर पाए because of any reason that can happen to any person is what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know. I just like I just
Yeah,
wanted to
no,
make it
I
clear
know.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah,
But other than that, because I'll tell you what, मतलब हमें like just because we have money, we feel कि उनको जैसे it's not just कि हमने उनको
yeah,
खरीद लिया, we just believe कि अरे अगर like just because that person is poor ना, we believe कि उनको हम जितना पैसा दे रहे हैं उनसे ज्यादा ही काम करवाना चाहिए। ऑन
yeah.
द कॉन्ट्ररी हम चाहे कितना भी काम करें, हाँ हमें लगता है ये हम
Yes,
ओवरवर्क्ड और
yes.
अंडरपेड है।
Because no, that is true because you directly relate morality to money, which has no relation.
मतलब
And it is so weirdly related कि अगर आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा पैसा है तो भी आप मॉरली करप्ट हो और आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो भी आप मॉरली करप्ट हो। सही
हाँ
सिर्फ मिडिल क्लास चल रही है जो कि सबसे
हाँ,
ज्यादा मॉरली करप्ट है।
I mean they are the reason that corruption exists because it's in the chain।
Yes,
मतलब ऐसा
yes,
नहीं है, जैसे अगर ये बीच वाली चेन पैसा ना मांगे तो ऊपर वाली चेन पैसा मांगेगी तो आप उसको शेम कर सकते हो। पर एक इंसान नहीं मांगता ना, पैसे तो सब मांगते हैं चेन में, मतलब क्लर्क से लेके ऊपर, मतलब ऊपर लेवल के
yeah,
ऑफिशियल तक सब पैसा मांगते हैं।
yeah. So yeah, so you took a sabbatical and then you finally moved to do your masters in media.
या आई I went for this. I couldn't clear it. Like I couldn't clear the interview round or so because I went till the interview. I cleared IIMC, which I always felt was meant for me. But I realized कि भाई इतना कुछ हवा जितना हवा बनाते हैं उतना है नहीं। जस्ट बेसिक, बहुत बेसिक कॉलेज होते हैं, बेसिक पढ़ाई होती है, सब चीज मतलब द वे पीपल आर बीन ऑलवेज टोल्ड ना कि नेशनल लेवल एग्जाम है इतना, मतलब ओ माय गॉड द काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर हैव we've gone through, at least I remember during boards or college, अच्छा कॉलेज अच्छा कॉलेज अच्छा कॉलेज, अगर अच्छा कॉलेज ना हो गया केबीसी का 7 करोड़ का सवाल हो गया और सही नहीं हुआ तो जिंदगी मतलब जिंदगी भर का रिग्रेट हो जाएगा।
Yeah,
आई मतलब आई डू अप्रिशिएट माई कॉलेज। आई अंडरस्टैंड
yeah,
कि अच्छे कॉलेज की वजह से बहुत होराइजंस खुलते हैं। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट्स रॉन्ग, आई कंप्लीटली स्टैंड विद द फैक्ट कि अच्छे कॉलेजेस से बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है। मतलब जिस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटीज मुझे मेरे कॉलेज में मिली, would I don't think I would have ever gotten them if I would have stayed back in Lucknow. But the
mhm,
pressure associated with this is crazy. I mean, not just
yeah,
us students still today. I mean, there are data showing that how kids are like so much under pressure that they feel
yeah,
it's better to kill themselves than to मतलब fail, because fail हो गए तो हाय तौबा, मतलब मौत से बदतर जिंदगी हो जाएगी।
yeah. I think
And
that
it's
is
just
that is the case for all the best colleges for all streams. Like we saw
hmm,
it with the
IIT,
Netflix documentary that came out. So IIT was popular forever for the pressure. Then there is the same with IIMs. It is the same
एक
with IHM.
हाँ, बाकी छोड़ दो, बाकी सारी फील्ड छोड़ दो, even मतलब मेडिकल कॉलेजेस, ओ माय गॉड,
Yes.
those who have the highest number of suicide rates, they've
Yeah.
studied to save lives, but these are the
Yeah.
same who are killing themselves over marks, over colleges, over food। मतलब see, nobody tries to understand that the problem is कि colleges कम है, बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा हैं, ठीक है। other than that, हमें एज सोसाइटी वी डोंट मतलब वी डोंट प्रमोट दैट काइंड ऑफ कल्चर कि अच्छा ठीक है फेल हो गए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ट्राई
Right.
समथिंग एल्स। इंस्टेड पता है, सब लोग मिल के आपको शेम करने लगते हैं।
Yeah,
द
they
सेम
just provide technical knowledge, but they're not concentrating on your mental evolution or like teaching you other life related things.
और या और ये पता है सेम वही है जो हमारे स्कूल से हमने उठा के लाए हैं। हमारे
Yeah.
टीचर्स हमें बचपन में ही सिखाते थे, हम बड़े होके यही इम्प्लाई करते हैं इन आवर लाइफ।
Mm.
और ये वही लोग हैं जो इस कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ बड़े हुए कि अरे बच्चा अगर एक क्लास अगर सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड फेल हो गया तब भी उतनी हाई तौबा है, और अगर नेशनल लेवल का एग्जाम नहीं क्लियर किया तब तो एकदम ही बेटा तुम मर जाओ जाके। मतलब आई डोंट
Yeah,
नो
because
व्हाट
failing isn't an option. I don't know why. It's the best thing
आई
that can
मीन
happen to you. I genuinely feel it is the best thing that can happen to
12
you.
आई मीन 12 लाख बच्चों में अगर फिर 12,000 बच्चों का होना है तो बचे हुए बच्चे फेल ही होंगे ना।
I know.
बाकी like 11 lakh 90,000
And the
something.
trauma, even if someone has survived it with a brave face, with whatever one has to do, and the trauma is so real. I
Yeah,
I saw aspirants the other day, and
hmm,
the montage that he didn't get through, the
hmm.
for like what he thought was the last attempt, but what बाद में वो बढ़
Yeah,
जाता
I
है, बट वो जो
know.
बारिश का सीक्वेंस है ना, जिसमें he
Hmm.
sees the result and he's just walking, he's just numb. And
Yeah, so
I haven't appeared for IAS, of course, but I have been I have given competitive exams and seen the rejection, and with no fault of mine. And that trauma is so much, I didn't even realize that it would hurt me now after like 6 7 years, and it did. It felt so real. I was literally in tears thinking of that memory that was in my brain of that time that happened to me.
yeah,
It's
so I remember,
so
yeah,
traumatic.
yeah, it is traumatic. So I remember 10th May, like I remember 10th grade. I used to have like I used to have nightmares where I would dream कि अरे भगवान मेरे marks कम आ गए, and I would just wake up shaking and crying and stuff कि marks कम आ गए,
Yeah,
marks कम आ गए. Oh my God, imagine कि you're fucking so scared कि marks कम आ गए. You have dreams about it, your marks and all.
yeah,
Well, I remember then
very
one
right.
day I went to my nani's place and they started crying कि oh my god 2 महीने में पेपर है और कोर्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है या ये नहीं हुआ. Oh god man, the kind of pressure we put on kids is insane. I mean,
It
no
is.
wonder a lot of times
It
kids
is insane
believe
and
that
it's
it's better to
inhuman.
die. Yeah, I mean it's so fucking real. I mean, just because we crack, like it's not like we've cracked through the pressure or something. We've sailed through it because by because मतलब somehow we did, but that does not mean it's
Yes.
right. And like the way people say कि वो बच्चा कमजोर है, अरे बच्चा कमजोर नहीं है, आप insensitive हो, आपका सिस्टम
Right.
insensitive है.
या और सबको इतना डिसेंसिटाइज कर दिया है अक्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म्स कि किसी को नहीं लगता है
everybody
कि
is
इट इज अनरियल.
yeah, everybody is just so high on tough love, it's insane. मतलब सबका ये है
या
कि
या
अरे अगर बच्चे को डांटा जा रहा है तो उसकी भलाई के लिए डांटा जा रहा है. बच्चे को प्यार से भी समझाया जा सकता है, बट वी बिलीव इन दिस सिस्टम वेयर वी
वो
वांट
कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है.
complacency by punishment.
या
कि
या
बच्चा
दैट इज
एकदम
ट्रू.
कंप्लेसेंट हो, अगर कंप्लेसेंट ना हो तो उसको इतना पनिश करो कि कंप्लेसेंट बन जाए. अरे यार, बच्चे के पास अपना लॉजिक हो सकता है. व्हाई कांट यू ट्रीट दैट इंडिविजुअल एज एन इंडिविजुअल? जस्ट बिकॉज आपकी उम्र में छोटा है तो आपसे आपकी डिग्निटी उसको कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटी और लाइक व्हाई डू वी लिव इन अ सोसाइटी लाइक दिस? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड बट वी डू.
या वी डू. So but then college was good. It was pressure, but it was good, you
It
say,
wasn't
because
that fun. No, it wasn't very pressurizing to be honest. It
you
wasn't.
just started the sentence with saying that it was a lot of pressure.
No, I mean, no, I mean not like that. Like अरे क्या कहूँ मैं? This is अरे
It was your
this is
college.
no, I my college wasn't pressurizing. To get into that college was pressurizing. मतलब
Okay.
होता है like जैसे बैंक के एग्जाम के लिए बहुत मेहनत करती है, भले ही बैंक में उतनी मेहनत ना करनी पड़े. You get that गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स का जो सिनेरियो होता है कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब
Right.
क्रैक करने के लिए यू हैव टू पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर, लाइक यू हैव टू पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. 3 लेयर का एग्जाम होता है, पहले रिटर्न होगा, फिर एक और
Got it.
मेन
Yeah, yeah.
होगा,
So the competition to get into the college was tough, but the college in itself
फिर
was good.
हाँ, like at least I मतलब it's not like I don't know about others, but to me it wasn't.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what I'm telling you. मतलब जैसे ऐसा नहीं है, a lot of kids feel a lot of pressure, and there are different sets of teachers that मतलब you encounter. I just I was just fortunate that I did not encounter something like that. I used to be nervous during exams and all, but somehow it wasn't that pressurizing. मतलब like the only pressure I felt during uh, both my colleges was to get through that college. कि भाई एडमिशन
Yeah,
होने के लिए बहुत प्रेशर होता था कि एडमिशन हो जाए, क्योंकि
right.
नेशनल लेवल कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं होगा तो इट्स ऑल लाइक तुम जिंदगी में ही फेलियर हो, फिर अच्छी नौकरी
Right.
ना लगे तो जिंदगी में फेलियर हो. मतलब एक तो
Yeah,
इतना डरा देते हैं हमें फेलियर होने से, क्योंकि हमें पता है
that
ना
is
उसके
true.
साथ जो ट्रॉमा आ रहा है साथ में.
So then
तीन
after
साल के
college,
जान के
you
साथ
joined.
साथ I after college I joined after IMC I ended up joining a news organization by the name of ANI.
Mhm.
Yeah, great colleagues, horrible boss.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then after that, so job, first job, how was it? How was the experience?
तो इनिशियली it was nice. Initially it was just basic ना, जैसे एक आध लोग आपको डांट देते हैं, otherwise अच्छा ही चल जाता है थोड़ा बहुत. It was only after 2 3 months into this job that the head of our department left. Then this other person comes in and just hates me only because he doesn't like my face. And I'm like, oh
What?
my god.
That is so
Yeah,
rude.
yeah, no, but he really had some issues with my face. He's like, your eyes are very rebellious, you're this and that. He just
He
don't like
actually said
me.
that.
Yeah, he said that I
Oh
why are
wow.
your eyes rebellious? I'm like, एक तो इतनी गहराई से मेरी आंखों में कभी किसी ने नहीं देखा जितना इस आदमी ने
Yeah, you
देख
should have
लिया.
sung in
ये
looking speak.
आई नो, बोला ये चश्मे के पीछे तो मुझे नहीं दिखती मेरी आंखें, डार्क सर्कल से ऊपर से उधर से सब मतलब भरी हुई आंखें मेरी.
Yeah.
इट्स डार्क सर्कल एंड ऑल ना, इट्स ऑल लेडेड है, ऊपर से चश्मा इतना मोटा लगा रखा है मैंने. पर
Huh.
वो आदमी मेहनत करके मेरी आंखों में देख के उसके ऊपर आंखों के अंदर का इमोशन ढूंढ ले, या मैं आंखों का कलर नहीं पहचान पाती हूँ.
Wow.
मैं खुद नहीं पहचान पाती हूँ मेरी आंखें डार्क ब्राउन है, ब्लैक है, क्या है. मतलब अपेरेंटली ब्लैक नहीं हो सकती है, डार्क ब्राउन नहीं हो सकती है ना, ऐसा कुछ है.
I don't know. मेरी ब्राउन है मुझे नहीं पता बाकियों का.
मुझे पता, मैंने कभी इतना अपनी आंखों को मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया जितना इस आदमी ने नोटिस कर लिया.
Hmm.
बोले इसको रिबेलियन क्या दिख गया, इसने कहा बेटा अभी यही, ये लोग वही उनको ना वो होता है कि अरे कैसे कोई मतलब इन केस कोई रिबेल कर जाए उससे पहले उसको दबा दो.
Hmm.
मेड माई लाइफ हेल. क्यों? क्योंकि आंखें ही नहीं पसंद है, चेहरा ही नहीं पसंद है मुझे. आके तुमने गुड मॉर्निंग कैसे नहीं किया? अरे ये कौन
Okay.
सा स्कूल था कि टीचर खड़ा है तो मैं खड़ी होकर गुड मॉर्निंग करूँ, और तुम जगह भी मेरे टीचर नहीं हो. आई हैव सुपरवाइजर्स, लाइक I had a copy editor over me, and he was the associate editor and something. So he was above the copy editor, but he wasn't
Right.
directly my supervisor, quote unquote. I was supposed
Mm-hmm.
to report to the copy editor, which I did. आते
Yeah.
मैं उसको जरूर वार्निंग बोल देती थी. बकचोद that man
Okay.
was.
So that is why you left and you joined Doordarshan,
Yeah,
right?
which was my last job. Great place. मतलब apart from the whole pro establishment scene, but they have to be. They are the public broadcaster. They have no choice. They can't be uh, anti-establishment. They are the
Mm-hmm.
government's mouthpiece. They will say what the government
Yeah.
says, even though it
Mm-hmm.
clashes with the editorial policy of the news channel and general conscience.
Yeah. So then
So, but
after that,
great place to work.
great
I
place to
mean,
work.
any given day, if you want to learn, there are a lot of people who will give you opportunities. At least in my case, because I know people who didn't get any opportunity despite the fact that they worked a lot. But in
Mm-hmm.
my personal experience was, it did give me opportunities. Other than that, people didn't behave in a certain manner. The way private channels or quote unquote private jobs, like the way people do in private jobs. Like
Right.
not all of them over there were government employees, not like in terms of permanent government employees, but there was certain code of conduct, and you couldn't behave outside of it. If you did,
Right.
people had all the authority to go out and complain, and action would have been taken against that person.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah,
Okay. So then you moved on from there, and now what are you
I
doing?
took a break after like 1.5 years of working at Doordarshan,
Mm-hmm.
because I just wanted to come back home for some time, and my grandmother wasn't doing really great, and my mother needed to get operated. She had to go for another medical thing. Like there were a couple of reasons.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't really doing well, so I just
Mm-hmm.
took a break and came back home. It was fine for a couple of months. I mean, yeah, I learned basically how to cook properly, except for the chapatis. Now I can, like, I'm all sarvagun sampanna. Very self-sufficient bitches.
Very nice. And then,
Yeah,
of course, Corona has happened. So
yeah, yeah. COVID happened and shook our life forever.
yeah,
And yeah,
and
so it's been horrible. The COVID thing happened, but yeah,
mhm.
let's. Yeah.
So you are now basically exploring
Now
yourself and stuff like that?
No, right now I'm just on a pause button. I'm not exploring. I'm not doing any exploring or something. Right now I'm taking
At
one
least
day at a time because we have
that's also exploring, right?
because we still.
You don't have to.
I have no clue. I've stopped. That's what I've actually stopped like uh, putting a thought into this process because all these days have been quite difficult to be honest. Like the whole
Mhm.
COVID situation has been difficult beyond words and very difficult. Like I like there's no amount of words if I can put in or explain someone that how difficult it has been to me or my family. So we're just taking one day
Right.
at a time. I mean,
Right.
the situation hasn't improved much anyway. Like it has improved, but hasn't improved like drastically or very मतलब it like it's like एकदम ही बदल गई हो एकदम ही better हो गई हो. It's not like that. So
Right.
and other than that, all like we've been grieving, we've been mourning. People and not just us, all across people have lost their loved ones, and it's like how do you just get over it that easy? कभी कभी
True.
एकदम it's just tiresome, no? It's like that.
Hmm. Nice. So that has been the journey so far.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how, like, do you think you would want to change anything? Very cliched question.
A lot of things. No, there are a lot of things you would want to change, but the thing is you can't. मतलब
Yeah, of
probably
course you
I
can't,
मतलब हाँ बट अब जैसे
but
कई चीजें मेरे
hypothetically.
बारे में भी कुछ बदलना चाहूंगी कई चीजें जहाँ पे मैं थी पर अब मैं नहीं हूँ मतलब आई वुड लाइक if now I look back to it I would like go back to my past self and tell don't do this you'll regret it bad like you'll regret it big time मतलब there
Nice.
are a lot of things but probably my job at ANI I would like I would shake that girl out of it कि यार तू पहली जॉब के चक्कर में मत पढ़ कि मतलब so I remember I went so we took that job मतलब I remember going out of my way like we had recruitments but ANI did not come for any of the recruitments we contacted people found that number went ahead like I along with two of my other friends and like I remember वो भी pressure कि भाई नौकरी चाहिए रिक्रूटमेंट के टाइम नौकरी नहीं मिली तो नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि मार्केट इतना लो है मतलब सब मार्केट डाउन है सब वो हो रहा है तो might as well get a job when you are at it oh my god इतना ज्यादा I mean I would have gone to that girl and told her कि बेटा रुक जा कोई बात नहीं अगर नौकरी नहीं मिल रही तो ठीक है it's better than the trauma that you're going to face after you get this job
Hmm. But like, isn't that trauma included to make
एक
what
सेकंड
you
एक
are today? So we were
no
talking
I
about
mean
like exchanging experiences, and you didn't want, you would not take up the job at ANI.
yeah I wouldn't
Mm-hmm.
I had amazing colleagues and I have some really great friends from that office. But
Yeah.
the trauma I like suffered, like एक तो either I am like some very trauma prone person. Every time I go and hit my head against that wall. पर बचपन में bully हुई हूँ, so I fed that pattern for myself. कि कहीं जहाँ पे मेरी self worth जहाँ मेरी worth सबसे कम होगी वहीं जाऊंगी मैं.
But then you should work on changing it, no?
हाँ, that's why I joined DD ना. I realized my self worth. I'm like, no bitch, I'm better than that.
That is good. You've improved.
That's why like, I remember taking that decision for leaving ANI. This fucking man who didn't like my eyes and my face and everything about it told me,
Yeah, I
why
will
don't you
do this.
stay? We'll change your department. And I'm like, you will be the head of that department also. I know what kind of a
How are you as a daughter?
like a 7 on 10.
7. 7 is good.
7 is not great, na. It's just average. Beyond 8, it's good. 80%, na. 80% and above is good. 85 distinction. 90 amazing. 95 to
85
बच्चा
is
सोना
not
ये
distinction. Distinction is
85
75.
distinction.
No, 75 is
85
distinction. 75.
ए माय मदर आई डोंट हमारे यहाँ 80 से कम में बच्चा एवरेज ही होता है 7.9 पे बच्चा एवरेज है अगर 8 नहीं है
But
तो I'm
7 is
like an
good.
average
You're an
daughter.
average daughter. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what is
I'm
what is
I'm
happiness?
I'm an 80 as a human being. Happiness is an illusion, just like democracy.
Democracy is an illusion, or democracy in India is an illusion?
Democracy in general is an illusion, na? Because capitalists run the world, across the world.
True. Sorry for the water break.
Yeah.
Happiness and democracy are illusions. So, what is success according to you?
Being happy.
So, that is an illusion. So,
Exactly.
we have to. So, if you are in the illusion that you are happy, you're successful. Nice.
Yeah, I mean, और नहीं तो क्या, जिंदगी भर दुनिया भर के बेंचमार्क आपके लिए सेट किए गए हैं, थोड़ा तो हम भी वो दीवार तोड़े और अपनी खुशी को अपने हिसाब से डिफाइन करें और अपनी सक्सेस को.
हाँ, बट खुशी को ही तुमने इल्यूशन करार दे दिया है ना. खुशी नहीं एग्जिस्ट कर रही.
हाँ, एग्जिस्ट तो नहीं करती है. ये आप अपना दिल बहलाने के लिए ना चीजें कर लेते हो और कह देते हो कि आइसक्रीम खाने से खुशी मिलती है. आपने अपने माइंड को ट्रेन कर दिया है कि आइसक्रीम खाने से खुशी
या
मिलेगी, भले एक्चुअली आपके दिमाग दिल को खुशी मिल रही है, आपने ट्रेन कर दिया तो उसको लगेगा कि हाँ आइसक्रीम खा लोगे तो खुश हो जाओगी. इसके लिए
नाइस.
पिछले साल ना पूरी गर्मी भर आइसक्रीम मंगवाई है मैंने. पता है, पॉइंट इज, एक तो पता है जब मैं 48 केजीज की भी थी ना, तब भी somebody had the guts to come over to me and say यार मोटी हो गई हो.
So that,
बचपन से 48
yeah.
इंसान मोटा से पतला होता है. दैट्स अ डिसेंडिंग, डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड, नॉट अ अपवर्ड
So
ट्रेंड.
anything that should teach you is just not giving a fuck about what others have to say.
या आई मीन तुम कुछ भी करो, somebody will अगर पता है इफ नॉट मोटी, एक बार कभी 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 कहते यार तुमने बहुत ज्यादा वेट लूज कर लिया, अब तुम्हें उससे भी प्रॉब्लम है. कैसे अजीबोगरीब लोग मिलते हैं ना जीवन में, क्या बताएंगे आप. यू माइट एज वेल
नहीं.
लाइक, दैट्स व्हाट आई रियलाइज, कि अपनी मर्जी का खाओ, डजंट रियली मैटर. मतलब आई
That
रिमेम्बर
is
लाइक,
true.
बिकॉज वो ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर की और को प्रॉब्लम नहीं दिया ना मुझे, आई वाज द वन सफरिंग थ्रू इट. I was the one whose health was deteriorated to an extent that the doctor would look at me and say कि भाई इनको आप admit करा दीजिए कैसे.
Right.
And the kind of toll it took on mental health was is a conversation for another day.
Yeah, but then that conversation needs to be more mainstream. It is getting some light. People are talking about it, but still only aware people are talking about it. Not everyone that needs to talk about it talks about it.
So people, I mean, see, it's a lot. I mean, it's just so internalized कि मतलब beauty standards, patriarchy and everything. कि the way like and the way the toll it takes, like the mental toll it takes on people is insane. मतलब so I still like you know have to like every now I weigh 84 kgs, nearly 85 84. So after 52 when I was in college, people directly saw me like when I was 75 or something, like all of a sudden that was the weight change people saw in me. And oh my god, that's all everybody, like these are the people who've never called me in like 3 4 years, like um so after I'll tell you how did this mean like when I went to college, I was 48 50 something, somewhere around 50 52 kgs, max 52 kgs, not even,
Okay.
like I was somewhere around 48 to 52. And when I came back I was for nearly 60. And then during that year I broke my foot, I had another leg injury, I had two leg injuries, one in each leg. And then I was really sick, I had some liver issue or something. Remember you came to me when I was
Yeah, yeah,
discharged from the hospital.
yeah.
So like I went through a certain set of like it was just, I was just really
Hmm.
sick, man. Like, let alone
Yeah.
anything that. But a lot of these people didn't मतलब bother to call me during that time. But भाई जैसे ही वजन बढ़ गया है ना, एकदम से सब देख, एकदम से सबने देख लिया. And nobody cared to like all of the a lot of these people knew that I wasn't keeping well for the whole year. ये किसी ने नहीं पूछा कि तबीयत अब कैसी है. एवरीबॉडी से कितनी मोटी हो गई हो तुम, अदरवाइज क्या होगा तुम्हारा. somebody went on to say कि तुम्हारी शादी कैसे होगी, how will you ever find a boyfriend. and I have, ये जो वेट देख के मुझे शादी या मतलब गर्लफ्रेंड बनाना चाहते हैं, इसको मैं ऑलरेडी रिजेक्ट कर चुकी हूँ.
I know.
मतलब ये जो entitled इंसान है.
It was lovely talking to you. I hope it didn't feel like a waste of time for you, the 2 hours you took out for me. Thank you.
Not at all.
और फाइनली तुम कुछ कहना चाहोगी नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट व्यूअर्स को?
मुझे तुम्हें देख के बहुत खुशी हुई. Love you.
लेट्स वी कैन मेक अ हार्ट
Yeah.
स्क्रीन पे आ सकता है. नहीं, दूसरे हाथ से बनाओ.
एक
आओ, आ गया.
सामने नहीं आ गया.
ए
ये
आ गया. So
आ
thank you
गया.
so much. I hope कि मैं I'm consistent with it. I take out more episodes and let's see कि कहाँ कहाँ आता है. Hopefully कोई सुन ले. Anyone has reached till this point after an hour and a half of conversation, तो please अपने comments और criticisms और जितनी बुराइयाँ भी है सब comments में डाल दो. We are okay. मुझे हमें चलेगा. Comments बढ़ेगा, engagement बढ़ेगी, ऐसा सुना है हमने. लाइक वगैरह कर देना, शेयर कर देना अगर जरूरत पड़े तो. एंड होपफुली इट विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन ऑडियो फॉर्मेट ऑल्सो, सो यू कैन डाउनलोड इट एंड लिसन टू इट और जस्ट प्ले इट, जिससे व्यू बढ़ जाए. नहीं सुनना है कोई बात नहीं. ओके, थैंक्स. दैट्स me, Deepika and Agrima signing off. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.